How to fix GeForce Experience or NVIDIA app cannot optimize game. Hey there, welcome or welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this quick and easy tutorial. It is very simple to solve it, just follow this quick and easy step. So once you are in the PC, at the bottom you will find this search bar. In the search bar, search for Task Manager first and foremost. Now in the taskbar, go ahead and locate your NVIDIA or the GeForce, whatever that you have installed in your PC. Now, if you see any of this running in the task manager, you have to go ahead and turn it off right from the task manager. After you do so, next step would be to clear the cache of your NVIDIA application or the GeForce Experience. If you don't know how to do it, in the search bar, all you do need to do is search for percentage and give it a search. Now over here, if you need to search for NVIDIA, you can just tap on any of this and press on the N keyboard. Then it will launch any of the GeForce or NVIDIA related stuff. So if you find a cache folder within the GeForce or within your NVIDIA application, you need to clear that cache automatically. Once you do so, the cache buildup that is causing the bug issue will be solved. So this is how you can easily fix if your GeForce Experience or NVIDIA application is not optimizing your game. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.